Building your marble tree consists of 3 parts: building the foundation, fitting the leaves, and gluing the leaves into the corresponding slots. The first step is to assemble the foundation. You'll need the screw, the Allen wrench, the magicwood base, and the magicwood pole. Start by inserting the screw into the magicwood base. Place the magicwood pole onto a table for added support and screw the base into the pole. Keep one hand on the pole to keep it from turning and be cautious not to overscrew. Now it's time to fit the leaves. Each leaf is marked with a number that dictates its place on the pole. Working in chronological sets of 3, add each leaf to its corresponding spot on the pole with the number side facing down. You can use a gentle back and forth rocking motion to insert the leaf into the slot. Be sure that all sides of the leaf are flush with the pole. If any leaves are too large for their slot, simply sand down with a piece of sandpaper. Now it's time to start gluing. Cut off the top 1/5 of the glue bottle and grab a wet rag to wipe up any excess glue. Remove the first leaf and place 3 drops of glue into the slot. Reinsert the leaf. Continue in this same pattern as you work your way down the marble tree. Work in sections of 3 leaves at a time and always be sure to fit your leaves before gluing. Keep the damp towel nearby for any glue that escapes the slot. The glue is easy to wipe off when wet but is difficult to remove once it's dried. Once you've glued in all 30 leaves, set a timer for 20 minutes to allow the glue to dry. Once 20 minutes has elapsed, the marble tree is ready for play. Open the bag of the 5 brightly colored balls and add them to your marble tree. Then watch as the marbles race on the tree, making the most magical sound, making the magicwood marble tree the full sensory experience.